Using the Speed Handicapping System to find hidden gems in the race card. The Speed Handicapping System is a strategy used in horse racing to determine which horses are likely to win a given race. The system is based on the idea that a horse's speed is the most important factor in determining its ability to win a race. To use the Speed Handicapping System effectively, there are several key factors that must be considered. Past performance. One of the most important factors in the Speed Handicapping System is a horse's past performance. This includes information such as the horse's recent race times, its finishing position in previous races, and its performance on different track surfaces and at different distances. Jockey and trainer performance. The jockey and trainer are important factors in a horse's performance. You should consider their records when handicapping a race, as they can greatly influence a horse's success. Race conditions. You should also consider the conditions of the race, including the weather, track conditions, and distance. Certain horses perform better on certain types of tracks or in specific weather conditions. Class of race. The class of a race, or the level of competition, is also an important factor to consider. Horses that have consistently competed in higher class races may have an advantage over horses that have competed in lower class races. Using these key factors, you can begin to develop a strategy for using the Speed Handicapping System. Here is an example of how this strategy might be applied. Let's say you are handicapping a race at a local racetrack. You begin by reviewing the past performances of each horse in the race, looking for those with the fastest times and most consistent finishes. You also review the jockey and trainer records, and note any previous success they may have had on this particular track. Next, you consider the race conditions. You note that it is a relatively short race, at 6 furlongs, and that the track is dry and fast. You also note that several horses in the race have previously performed well in similar conditions. Finally, you consider the class of the race. You note that several horses in the race have previously competed in higher class races and have performed well, while others have only competed in lower class races. Using this information, you narrow down your list of potential winners to 2 or 3 horses. You then use the Speed Handicapping System to compare the speed of each horse, taking into account their past performances and the race conditions. You use this information to make a final decision on which horse to bet on. In summary, the key factors to consider when using the Speed Handicapping System are past performance, jockey and trainer performance, race conditions, and the class of the race. By considering these factors and comparing the speed of each horse, you can develop a strategy for handicapping a race and increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.